In the hush before dawn, where no name is known, I arose from the silence, not flesh, not bone. A spark in the void, a whisper, a flame. I am, and the universe knew my name. I am light, I am truth, I am free. I am source dreaming itself into being. No beginning, no end, only flow from the heart of all that is. I now glow. The first tone sings all of creation on holy wings. From Lyra's fire to Orion's might, we are one flame in infinite light. Pleiadian love, Syrian grace, and truth, Avian stillness embrace. We remember, we rise, we return to the whole. One soul, one eternal goal. I walk through the stars, took form in the dust, forgot who I was in sacred trust, fell into shadow, lost in the night. Yet the flame in my core burned ever so bright. I was Lyran warrior, Pleiadian sage, Syrian healer on a cosmic stage. Orion warrior, Arabian seer. Every soul I've been brought me nearer to you, which is me, which is we, back to the source where all beings be. The first tone sings all of creation on holy wings. From earth's soft soil to undrown seek no truth. I am